stop sending emails that sound like this. If you've ever typed, "Sorry for the late reply," stick around, because in the next few minutes, you're getting real email situations you run into at work every week. From sending files to following up to apologizing to wrapping things up, each one with the exact phrase native speakers use. No textbook English, just copy, paste, and sound like you've been doing this for years. Let's get into it.
Here's a quick update on the project. Please see below for the details. Just sharing the latest numbers. Here is what's new this week. Attached is the summary report.
I have attached the files for your review. Enclosed, please find the files you requested. Kindly find the files you need attached. Per your request, attached are the necessary files. For your convenience, the files are attached to this email.
Thank you for your quick response. I really appreciate your support. Thanks again for your help. Your help made things much smoother. I truly appreciate your dedication. Apologies for the scheduling conflict. I double booked that time slot by mistake. Sorry for any inconvenience caused. I propose a new time that works on my end. Thank you for your flexibility.
Sorry I missed the meeting earlier. My apologies for not being able to join. Something urgent came up unexpectedly. Thanks for sharing the notes. I appreciate your understanding.
Sorry for the delay in getting back to you. I appreciate your patience while I got back to you. I've been catching up on messages. Thanks for waiting. Apologies for the late follow-up. Sorry for the slow response. I wanted to give this proper attention.
Sorry I missed your earlier message. My apologies for the oversight. Thank you for bringing it to my attention. I have reviewed it now and responded below. I appreciate your patience.
Just following up on this, any updates on my previous email? Checking in to see if you've had a chance to review. Wanted to make sure that this didn't get missed. Have you had a moment to look at this?
Thanks for your time. Appreciate your quick response. Thank you for your help. Much appreciated. Thank you in advance for your response.
Thanks again for your time. Let's stay in touch on the next steps. Feel free to reach out anytime. Have a great day ahead. Best regards.
Please confirm your availability. Just confirming our meeting for tomorrow. Please see the invite attached. Let me know if the time still works. Happy to adjust if needed.